Hi everyone, I am here with Angel Perez. Angel is the person that assists us and help us with the natural hazard disclosures. And first, let's introduce Angel. And Angel, can you tell us how did you start in doing this and for how long have you been working in natural hazard disclosures?
Absolutely. I've been in natural hazard disclosures with Property ID now for over a year, and we're one of the oldest companies out there. We've been around for 50 years, and really, to tell you the truth, um, the owner is the founder of natural hazard disclosures. He basically, you can call him like the godfather of
Oh,
the
interesting.
disclosures.
Oh, that is great to know. So, so many people doesn't know why it's important to have this report. And can you tell us first when this report is necessary? And the second question is what this report includes.
Sure, absolutely. This report is necessary legally in the state of California. Whenever you sell any home, it is legally required that the seller disclose any natural hazard that has to do with the home to any buyer or prospective buyer. Now, the reason this is a law is because a lot of times buyers will buy a home not knowing any potential hazards that can be around the home or near the home, and that can affect the desirability of any buyer. And if it's not properly disclosed, then the buyer can say, "Hey, you never told me about this. If I would have known such things, I would have never would have bought the property."
Yeah.
So this is very important. Disclosures are the number one thing that is really, really paramount when doing any kind of transaction.
Okay.
So when doing these natural hazard disclosures, you're just letting the buyer know
Okay.
if it's in a fire zone, a flood zone, uh, any if it's near any oil and gas wells, anything that potentially can harm the home. That's what we disclose. There's a lot of different little disclosures, but the main ones is fire, flood, oil, gas. Sometimes there's a lot of gas wells. In
Yes.
California, there were a lot of wells where they were doing for oil. So a lot of them got capped and moved on. So that needs to be disclosed
Interesting.
to buyers.
So one of the things that surprised me about the natural hazard disclosures is how long it is. It's a
Mhm.
huge document.
Mhm.
So, but one thing that I love about your company is that they give you the one page report that it's not that they are going to omit all the other information, but it's going to give you the most important points about the report, and then it's going to tell you where you can find the details about what is happening. And then if you
Absolutely.
want to go deeper, you can do it. I love that part of the report, and I only want to share it with people because when you are in the process of buying a home and you receive papers and papers and papers and papers,
Right.
it's always good to have someone that can help you, that can provide you better information or easier to grasp information.
Absolutely. Information and the access to information is very important. Like you mentioned, we do offer we're the only one out there that offers the one-page NHD, and the reason being is because that one page is basically like a landing page. So you'll click on each section. Now we have it broken down into fire, flood, oil and gas, environmental. The list goes on and on. Typically, when you get one of these reports, they're like about 78 to 100 pages long.
Yeah, you see, it's big. It's not, I am saying it.
Yeah, so people could be scrolling, looking, am I in a fire zone? Am I in a flood zone? Am I by an earthquake, fault line? I mean, all this information is disclosed to you. And a lot of people don't know where to look or they simply don't know. So we make it easy with that one page. It tells you each section, seismic, oil and gas, fire, earthquake, uh, all that information. You just click on it, it takes you straight to that section and tells you if you are or if you're not. And if you are, you can click again and it tells you the severity uh, of that hazard. So you can go deeper and deeper, deeper, and then you have another button where you can click and it takes you right back to that first one page. So we make it very user friendly. We want it to be easy and simple. Not only that, but we're the only company out there that has an in-house attorney that specifically is only dealing with this product alone. So if you have any questions about anything on there, I basically welcome you to give me a call, shoot me an email, and I can direct you to our in-house attorney who can explain to you every single little detail on that report if you like, at no charge or extra at all.
That is great to know. And the only thing that I can say is thank you for the time. I hope that this information is helpful for whoever is in the process of buying a house. And of course, have a wonderful day. So thank you, Angel.
You're welcome. Thank you. You guys have a great home buying experience.
Bye.